Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Osama Hussain, your English short story writer. Hope you will be fine and doing well. Today we have come with another story. Before starting our story, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Author Osama. Like and share our videos for English short stories. Also comment on our videos and give your suggestion to us. Thank you. Now guys, we are coming to the title of today's story. So the title we have The Kitten's Tale. So let's go there and start our story. The Kitten's Tale. A kitten tells that my mother belonged to a respected German family and my father is Canadian. She told us that she was brought to Pakistan by airplane through visa system. Got married with Canadian cat at Karachi. I had two brother and sister. We were very loving to everyone. My mother was too clever and also understands as good kittens in society. She always told us that never told a lie and be patient forever. I was 2 months old when one handsome guy came to our house at Mr. Jamal home to take one of us. He chose me to go forever with him and start my new journey of life, which was difficult in beginning, but with time passing, I felt happy in my new house. When I was going to new home, my family was sweeping and had grief over me because leaving your family forever is very mournful moment in life. I bought through a luxury car to luxury apartment. My new family was Mr. Nadim's family, and there were his wife and two siblings. They love a lot and care of me. They feed me daily and also visit to near park with his son Hashir. I also visited my neighbor. There was Kate who really loved me and same I fall in love with him. I was bored from one state to another and I really missed my family. When my new family members go on to their work, I want to talk my mother, want to see her, want to love with my sister. They were missing me as well as, but we cannot meet again in life. Sorrow to think about this moment. They really care for me and never I give them chance of complaint because everything is available here. I show myself them as I am very happy with them and passing my life, very comfortable, but they did not know the story in my heart. That the one can feel the situation of living alone from our family as they are alive but can't meet to them. Once I was at home, Mr. Nadeem went to office. Her wife was also working, so she was out of home. Hashir was at school and their youngest baby was sleeping. And our mate went outside to bring some groceries. It was the time of reaching Mrs. Nadeem from office. I just sitting in lounge and suddenly the baby started crying. Another moment, when I entered the room, I saw there was fire in the room and it was reaching to the baby cot. I snatched the baby cot out of the room and want to out the baby from that because fire was also on that cot. As I was doing that, Mrs. Nadeem came and she scolded for her baby. I do not know that what she understand about this. What she understand of me, but she gave me a kick. I felt hurt and came outside the lounge through limping. Climate ladders wept much. I was thinking that about the situation that I should leave that house, but I remembered my mom saying that she used to say that never told a lie and be patient forever. And I thought that they will not care for me and will kick out of me from this house. But after some hours, when the condition was good, Hashir was calling me and weeping for me that come back, Kitty, come back. Where are you? As he called me by name as Kitty. But when his mother called and searching for me and many hours spent, I felt too hungry. I came out of the store that they love me more and thanked to me as I was protecting their baby. from fire. I was not beating him. Then they loved me and caring for me more than the first. So now I have a baby from our neighbor and living a good life in Lahore with them. It was just an incident in my life. I was just sitting in my room, that's why wanted to share my experience of life without parents, that how I am passing my life. So the moral we have, spending life without parents is very difficult for everyone. So guys, it was just the story of a kitten, a cat. So I share with you all, and the story ends with the moral that life without parents is very difficult for everyone. So please subscribe our YouTube channel Author Usama, and also share our videos for English short stories. Thank you guys, and we will meet in the next video.